Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here at the very top, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, so we can check which wallpaper we've got currently set. And under it we've got the albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones from the gallery, so obviously you will be able to set your own photo or the picture you've downloaded. And we've got lock screen wallpaper services. What's more, we can explore more wallpapers if you will have the internet connection and you will sign in into the Google account, not Google, Samsung account. Then you will be able to download some new ones. And what's more, here we've got a new option, which is color palette, and after tapping on it you can see that we will be able to change the colors of the menu according to the colors which we've got on the wallpaper. So your device will simply copy them and apply them to the menu, which is quite a cool option. What's more, we've got the option apply dark mode to the wallpaper, and it means that if you will have the dark mode applied, so if the background will be black, it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So let me actually focus on changing the wallpaper, so let me enter My Wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. So all you have to do in order to check the preview and in order to change the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, first of all, we have to decide where we want to set it. So we can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we can check the preview of both of them, so let's tap on this option again. And as you can see, the information, we had the information that the wallpaper has been applied, and as you can see, as I said, we've got the color palette, which will defaultly appear right here after changing the wallpaper, so you will be able to manage the colors of the menu. Of course, you can keep the default ones, but I will stick with this one. And let's tap on apply. And now we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.